Today I'm going to show you the tiny house we use as we develop our property, so stay tuned. Hi, this is Paul from countrycraziness.com. If you're interested in post-frame construction, tractors, and homesteading, well, you've come to the right place. Why not subscribe, tap the bell, and join in on the conversation. At our homestead right now, we don't have any permanent housing, and we're about 45 minutes away. So to go out and do any kind of work is tedious with that hour-and-a-half round-trip drive every day. So we're using this old Avion trailer for our temporary housing. This Avion trailer we bought new in 1987, and we used it for many years for camping with our children as they were growing up. I also took them on a lot of business trips with me. We now use it for not only occasional vacation trips, but after 2 years we've gotten it out of storage and we're using it for temporary housing when we're out at the property. Let me show you the inside. So come on in, let's take a look. Okay, so when you walk in, here's the kitchen. It's got a nice dinette that seats 4. Good place to play cards. One of the nice things about this trailer is it's got all kinds of cabinets, and they go all the way around the kitchen. That's one of the beauties of using an older RV. They have a lot of storage space in them. Here's something that you didn't see back in 1986. A microwave. A microwave in an RV was a big deal. I didn't even have a microwave in my house back then. Then it's got a refrigerator that works either on propane or electric. It's got a freezer. Next is a beautiful living room. Here's a nice couch that folds out so you can have guests stay. Pardon the carpet down there. We're doing a little renovation on that. Here's my comfy chair, ultra leather, with a nice big window for me to look out in the morning and dream. As we go down the hallway, there's a cabinet here. It's got lots of pull-out drawers for linens and towels and things of that nature. Place to keep linens up here, pillows and stuff like that. Then we've got a nice big wardrobe, mirrored cabinets, nice cedar lane closet for me to keep my jackets in. You can put a lot of stuff between these two closets. Drawers down below the wardrobe, keep stuff down there. The theme is storage in this trailer. And here's the bathroom. Got a nice residential type sink with a Delta faucet. Nice cabinet. It's got a real china toilet. And it's got a nice sit tub shower. Unless you weigh 300 pounds, this gets the job done. Now we're going to head back to the back room here. It's got twin beds. And the neat thing about this bedroom is that the beds look out the back window. And if I had the rock guard up, I could show you that this is a curved window that gives you a panoramic view. So when you get up in the morning, you get a nice view. Windows everywhere. And then this bedroom is surrounded by cabinets. Lots of storage space in there for my clothes. I get all of that cabinet. I get half of this cabinet here that's got a lot of storage. This gets the other one. She's got the same kind of cabinets all the way around. Nice reading lights. Extra lights up here. The other things I really like about this trailer is that it'll carry 80 gallons of propane. It has air conditioning. It has really all the conveniences of home, including central heating. Frankly, when you're homesteading, the thing that you miss the most is fresh water. And you can hold 60 gallons of water in this baby, and when we call a trip to the end, it's usually because we've run out of water. There's a lot of advantages of using an RV for a tiny house. They're well designed and made for the purpose of traveling for extended period of time. That means that this tiny house has lots of storage, a very comfortable restroom, and nice high-quality Sealy beds. It also provides an efficient and modern kitchen in order to be able to do food preparation. There is one big disadvantage of a tiny house if you live in a northern climate. The warm interior and the cold exterior causes condensation problems inside the walls and could lead to a mold problem long term. And hey, I don't need a mold problem. At my age, I'm moldy enough as it is. I crack myself up.